Hello everyone, this is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my North American opening market comment for Friday, July 29th. The dollar was mixed at midday in Europe, gaining against the commodity currencies and recovering a bit from its opening levels against the yen, but falling against the euro and the Swiss franc. EU inflation accelerated a bit in July, as was widely expected after yesterday's German July CPI data. Unemployment was also as expected, and so too was second quarter GDP, which came in exactly in line with market expectations at plus 0.3% quarter on quarter. Now, the euro was gaining before these data came out, suggesting that there's actually just some underlying demand for the single currency rather than any influence of the data. This afternoon, we'll be looking for the preliminary estimate of U.S. second quarter GDP. The market consensus is for up 2.5% on a quarter-on-quarter seasonally adjusted annualized rate. That's up sharply from 1.1% in the first quarter. But I think the risks are really to the downside on this report. The Atlanta Fed yesterday sharply revised down its GDP Now model forecast to 1.8%. from 2.3% just the day before, just Wednesday, after some data were revised. So I think a lot of Wall Street firms may have revised down their forecasts too last night, but that would be too late to be reflected in the market consensus that's shown on the screens. So the market's reaction may be a little bit difficult to judge. The core personal consumption expenditure deflator that's going to be released at the same time is expected to slow to 1.7% from 2% in the first quarter. Now, the combination of these two, a slowdown in inflation and a slower than expected growth, may be negative for the dollar, in my view. We're also getting the Chicago PMI index this afternoon. That's expected to drop as well. Separately, Canada announces its May GDP figure, which is expected to show some slowing. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.